Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
Another rule has been saved or not. Yeah, both rules are there. Next. Inbound. Okay, branch 1, branch 2, DC, I will configure for all. Add. Preview. Here you can see the preview. Sequence. VPN 10, prefer MPLS. We have not done any prefix list, so it will match any prefixes. If you want to define, you can also match that VPN color, any prefix list you want to match. Under the VPN 10, suppose you have 10 prefixes at site, so you want to prefer only for one prefix. So that's how you can define the prefix list, or only you can map the only one prefixes. So here it is showing any prefix list. It will set the preference to 99. Here it's 100. Default action accept. And here is the definition of list. What kind of details list is having, like color list internet. Under the color list internet is public internet. Under this list color map is MPLS. What is branch 1, site ID having 10, 20, 50, right? So clear the save policy. Now already we have seen the flow that is having the 4 path. Let me activate this. Here you can see the task. Many times I have shown you that if any task is running on, it should show there. After completion, it will move to here. Completed, success. Now let me go to the branch 1 Delhi. If I go to troubleshooting, simulate flow. For VPN 10 we have configured. Destination is same 10.50.2. So you can see now it's only 2 paths. One is preference and another is just backup. If by chance this is down, so it will communicate with the site through the MPLS only, and it will be a backup. If I will just make it shut down through the ISP MPLS, it will be switched to only this. Okay, if I will go to branch VPN 20 and if I will try to reach any IP of VPN 20, I have configured here 10.20.20.2. So okay, let me start this one. I have configured VPN 20 here, and from branch 1 I am checking the path, because here on DC I have not configured any IP for VPN 20. It's a blank, but let me check 10.20.20.1. We can do it. It should up first, then it will make a control connection here. But let me check before that it will show us anything else or not. 10.20.20.1 simulate flow. Okay, it will not show us. Please wait, it will take time to make control connection up. That's how it will advertise its routes to the vSmart. vSmart will advertise to the other branches, and the other branches will know that okay, we have a VFD session, and then it will show us the path, available path, because right now VS2 is down and VPN 20 is configured here. So just we are checking that we have configured the preference for this site. VPN 20 will prefer internet and VPN 10 is preferring the MPLS, this path. So give me 1 minute. Admin. Okay, show control connection. Like that. and same policies, the whatever policy you have configured on the vSmart, you can also check through the CLI. Here you will see the policies under the running configuration. Here you can see what all policies applied on this vSmart. Here you can see policies. What a policy you already have, that will configure in this way. And one important thing, if you configured one rule, that will show you sequence 1. If you configure second rule, it will show you sequence 11. If you configure third rule, it will show you sequence 21. It will increase by number 10 every time. Okay. So let me check if control connection is up here on VH2. Okay, these are up now. Now we can simulate flow. Here you can see. So it's MPLS2. Yeah, here's will your two paths. And one another thing, if I will check, if I will go on branch 1. Let me go.
Sachin, one query.
Mhm.
So just now you said that if we create rule, it will increment
Preference,
the
yeah, I will
numbers
show
by
that.
10,
Yeah.
the
Oh,
sequence
okay,
rule.
okay. Yeah. Sequence by 10. Yeah.
Yeah. So is there any way that we can manually insert any number in between?
No. It's by default one.
It's by
If you,
default. Because
yeah, it's
so
default
in our
one.
legacy network, why we do it? So that we can insert any number in between. Suppose we want to insert any rule which should
Mhm.
prioritize the lower number, we insert it by the number in between.
Correct. You got it correct point, but I will show you how you can modify this.
Okay.
Suppose because it's a sequence, so you got correctly that what you want to change. Suppose I am in this policy. Service VPN prefer this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I will go to this topology. Here we have policy. I will go to edit. So if you have some other prefix list, like you are preparing any other list, so
Mm-hmm.
suppose you are making a application rule. First you are denying, on the other sequence you are making allow. So you can drag this one and you can
Okay.
change the sequence here. You can
Okay.
see. So that's how you can manage the sequence. But number will be defined by the SD-WAN automatically. But you can change the
Okay.
sequence. You can just select and drag it just
Okay.
above or first. So that's
And the
how you
moment we will drag it, the number will get changed automatically.
yeah. Number will be changed. Means these rules are run in a sequence. One, two,
Mm-hmm.
three, 4. So whatever will be matched first, it will
Yeah.
applicate.
Okay.
If it because it will not hit to the second rule. First it will match, okay, this application block, that's it, it will block that application.
Understood.
So okay, so let me cancel it. And one thing I was showing to you, show OMP routes. If you will see, here we can see the preference has been changed. So here you can see whatever we have configured, it will show you here. Preference has been changed here. Okay.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.